Alright, this is a review on the Benjamin 22 air rifle. This first one, that's how you buy them. I rigged mine up with a bipod. Just bought it at Bass Pro, maybe about 30 bucks. It's actually really handy. And I also took the suppressor off. They don't really work anyways. It's a pellet gun. It's a 22 caliber pellet gun. It comes with a scope already mounted, or well, you got to mount it yourself, but it does come with a scope, and it's a 3x9x40, and you can also change the range and everything. It's got all your gadgets your scope normally would have, so you can adjust it. This model, it's 495 feet per second here in Canada. Anything over 500 feet per second, you need a FAC for. Basically, you need a gun license. It's not called an FAC here, but you need a gun license. But it's a good gun if you're just shooting things in your backyard or whatever, plinking. It is a heavy gun. I would not recommend it for anyone probably under the age of 12 or 13, just due to sheer weight. And it's fairly accurate. It is a break barrel action. Out of about the 5 or 6 pellet guns I have owned, this is definitely the most accurate one by far. And it's bang for buck basically. The more you pay for your air rifle, the more better it's going to be. And that's it.